ready to unlock a flood of direct inquiries from eager buyers and renters. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to display your US phone number and name right on HomeScam, making it super easy for potential clients to reach out. First things first, head over to HomeScam and log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look for the My Profile or Account Settings section. It's usually found in the drop-down menu under your profile picture or name in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. Now, you will be on your profile page. Scroll down until you see fields for your name and your US phone number. Make sure you enter your full name and your 10-digit US phone number accurately. Here is the most important part. Look for a setting that controls the visibility of your phone number. It might be labeled Display Phone Number, Contact Information Visibility, or something similar. Make sure this setting is toggled on or set to public. After you have entered your information and set the visibility, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes or Update Profile button to save your changes. And that is it. Now, when potential buyers or renters view your listings or your HomeScam profile, they will see your name and phone number, allowing them to contact you directly. This simple step can lead to more leads and better communication with potential clients. Good luck.